Alright guys, so as you can see, I've already cut the one slot in this one for a final piece. I'm just getting a little ahead, that way I don't have to do it later. According to the directions, it says at 2 1/8 and 2 7/8. It doesn't have to be exact, guys, because it's going to be covered up. You're going to have a metal slot I'm going to show you to go through. I marked both of mine. I'm going to use a cutting wheel from the back side. It's just easier to cut it from that side. But what these are going to do before you mount this on, I will show you. So this will sit like this with the tow hook, and the bolts will be covered up in that slot. You have to give yourself a little play. You could get a little tighter, but you may have to adjust yours left or right a little bit. You need the play. You can always cut it after the fact. You can use a cutting knife if you need to, but it is much easier to do ahead of time, as you will see. Give me 1 second. Set up here. Get the camera so you guys can see. Alright, guys. Get my happy line here. Adjust it so you guys can see. Let's see here, guys. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm pretty anal. I'd just rather have it play. You guys can, I could do it this tight, but I don't like to screw around with it after. Remember, most of this is covered up, so don't kill yourself and wasting forever on it, okay? Being anal is awesome until you're sitting here forever screwing around, which is not cool. What I like to do is I gonna walk over to it, try it out on the thing, make sure it slides around easy, which is more than enough. That's only 1/4 inch steel over there, so it shouldn't be anything of regard. I need to cut this line a little straighter. I know there's different ways you can make it so it goes straight and easy, but enough for me. Ow, hot, 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 hot. Clean it up from this side, guys. Like I said, use your finger. Easier to do now than when you're doing it later. Like I said, you can use a blade if you don't have a cutting wheel. You don't have to have one. All I'm doing is cleaning the little debris from the cutting wheel. If I have to cut more on it, I will. I'm just trying to save myself some time. I'd rather cut a little bigger. You guys may not. You can cut the whole end off if you really wanted to, but you're going to have the bolts exposed. I like a more finished look. This is a little bigger than you have to do, but you know what? It'll work just fine. I'm not a pro. I'm a dad just like a lot of you guys out there, and it's good enough at some things to get myself in trouble. And I know there's always better ways, more professional. I am anal, and I like to do things as right as I can. Just some things just ain't worth wasting time on. Now, I'll take it over here. Just as a hunch, remember that's the front of the truck. This will sit like this. Make sure it's up and down can go, that's what I needed. And when it's on there. So I'll leave that so I don't forget when I put it back on. They have to go on prior to the install, or you might forget about them. I know that sounds crazy and say, why would I? But, well, we do all kinds of things. All right. Next part.